One last stop and I am done with this data flow for the day. Click here, click there, adding my table to my lake house, destination unknown, Ruby Soho, and of course column mapping, automatic settings. Everything looks amazing. Smash that save settings button, check my query's configuration. Everything looks good. How about my second query? Wait, where's my destination? You're telling me I have to do this 49 more times? Welcome to how to set data destinations in bulk with Dataflow Gen2. Okay, let's try this again. Let's do Control A, copy all of our queries, and then we're going to go ahead and exit out of our data flow just in the top right-hand corner. Within our workspace, we're going to use the lake house again. I like to call this kind of my front door. So in the top left here are the get data options, new Dataflow Gen2, where I can press this amazing card here just within the splash screen. Now we're taken back into the editor. I can either connect to those sources again. I'm going to do this amazing trick. So just Control V, paste in my queries. And then from here, we're going to see in the bottom right-hand corner, something amazing just happened. So in query number 1, our data destination's already been configured for us to that lake house. Again, that's our front door, so all of our queries will automatically be added there. The update method, replace here for all of my queries. Down at the bottom here, number 50 queries, one click with the default destinations. Okay, let's explore this a little bit deeper here, just across Microsoft Fabric. Back again into our data flow, Control A, right click, copy, close out of it. And then in our workspace, we're going to go to the warehouse, kind of using the same front door method, as I like to call it. We could use the new Dataflow Gen2, or if we already have existing tables in our warehouse, just click that get data from new Dataflow Gen2, take it into the editor. Remember that amazing trick, Control V, paste it, bottom right hand corner. Once again, all of our destinations have been configured now for the warehouse. One important item that I want to kind of call out here is the different update method settings. So as we hover above, we see that this update method is actually appending. So we'll be appending new data upon each subsequent refresh into our warehouse for each one of our tables. If you do need to adjust this, of course, just press that settings icon, change the configuration. Maybe it needs to be a replace. But let's try a Custo KQL database here. So I don't see that Dataflow Gen2 card here on that getting started, but click on that chevron next to get data, select Dataflow, back into our editor, that amazing trick, Control V, or if you have an existing Power Query template, you can click that too. So export your logic here in the top, import it. Control V though, all of my queries have now been pasted into the editor. Data destination, again in the bottom right hand corner, defaulted for each query within the editor. Hovering above data destination, the update method here for Custo is going to be the append method. A big takeaway for me though is that Microsoft Fabric is a deeply integrated experience, accelerating authoring time. And especially with these front door methods, as I like to call them, configuring destinations in bulk, one click, 50 destinations, sign me up is all that I can say. Keep in mind though, there are some slight variations too, with lakehouses being replaced, warehouses append, KQL databases append. But before I kick you out of here, please hit like and subscribe, and remember, it's not about what you know, it's about what you know is possible.